I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Fish on, fish on, fish on. There we go. I think I snagged it. I didn't actually bite it. I just snagged it. What the fuck? I just snagged the bloody. It's a mullet. I think it's a mullet. It's a mullet. Yeah. Look, I hooked it like live bait. Yeah, it's a little mullet. There we go. Second fish of the day. So that's a little mullet right there. But I've been getting a few tiny bites, but nothing, no takers. But I just got him right there, like live bait, just on the back. Now I reckon I'm gonna knock this guy out, and if we're gonna use bait, we always have this guy as an option. Otherwise we can eat him. That's always another option. That's only one fish for the day, and just staying out here for a bit longer. Let's keep recording. My plan is gonna see what's the smallest plastic I've got. Strike tag a nymph. Sure might be the smallest. Surely I've got something. A 2-inch, right? I don't. Oh my god. So disappointed. I could just snip the tail on this. I'll just mod it a bit. Oh, I got a 1/8 one. Only one left. We'll see if that will do the job. Now. Yeah, that will do the job. I'm gonna snip this a lot. And yes, I know a brim and a mullet have been on this plastic. I mean, if you want, we can cut up that fish and just use it as bait. Yeah.
At this point, it's probably the best option.
Yeah.
Do we use a float or a sinker?
I can use a float. It's actually not that deep, so you can use a sinker. Yeah. Okay, they're packing up. They're packing up over there. Oh! Oh! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Yeah. Yeah, another one. Don't know. Is it a brim? Or a flathead? Oh, it's a big. It's a flathead. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh. No, this one's a flathead. Yeah, that's my favorite fish. That's dinner, boys. If it's legal, if it's within the size limit. Yeah. There we go. This guy inhaled it, man. No. My rod's in like breaking point right now. I think this is a dusky. I think this is my first dusky flathead. If it can just stay there, man. Okay. Okay, he's in the boat. He's in the boat. We got him in the boat, boys. All right. Ooh. That's a big one, yeah. Have you got a ruler? Ah, ooh. Ah. But there we go. Got a nice little dusky flathead, I think. I think it's a dusky. I'm in, where am I? Lake's Entrance or something? I don't know, wherever we are. Look, that's a dusky, right? I'm not sure. It's got some spots on it. Maybe it's a blue spot. But I don't want to take any chances. I'm going to check up the regulations. Over 50, I believe, you got to chuck him back. So if he's over 50, we're chucking him back. I feel 49 actually. Alright, look at that. There's 50 right there, and he's just below it. He's 48 or 49. That's a 49 centimeter fish. Flathead legal size, Vic. Oh, maximum's 55. Minimum is 30, maximum 55.